Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off Norton 360 on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the app on phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on menu at the bottom of your screen. This screen shows your device protection, VPN and other features. Now look for a device security and tap on it. You will see a switch at the top. Tap the switch to turn device security off. A message may appear asking you to confirm. Tap confirm or OK. Now go back to the main screen. Find VPN at the top and tap on it. If the VPN switch is green, that means it's on. If the switch wants to turn the VPN off, wait a second until it disconnects. If you see options like web protection or Wi-Fi security, tap each one and turn them off if they are enabled. Once all switches are off, Norton 360 is no longer active on your iPhone. And that's it. You have successfully turned off Norton 360 on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.